Hi, this is Debra of the Warren County Library, and welcome to another digital demo. Today I'd like to talk to you about Flipster. Flipster is a digital magazine service that allows users to read current and back issues of many popular magazines from their laptop or desktop computer. And you might need your library card number today, so I'd keep it handy just in case. We're going to go on our main page, warrenlib.org, and from there we'll access Flipster. So let's take a look. So here we are on the main page, our homepage, warrenlib.org. If you take a look at the links along the top of the screen, the last one says eBooks and more. If you click on eBooks and more, it will bring you to another page, and then you'll need to scroll about a little more than halfway down the page, and you'll see a title that says Digital Magazines, and click right on the icon that says Flipster. Now, at this point, you might be prompted to enter in your library card number. That's your patron ID. So you'll go ahead and enter in your 14-digit library card number without any spaces or hyphens and click Sign In. Once you're signed in, you'll go right to the Flipster homepage. Currently, the Warren County Library offers 41 different publications. So if you're not sure what you're looking for, you can browse on the main page. And here we are. So there's a few ways you can search. The first way would be to search for titles up here in the left-hand corner. You can go ahead and type in the title of a magazine that you're looking for and click Search. I typed in People, and 5 results come up. So if I'm interested in number 1, People, I can click right on the icon next to the F that says Read This Issue. And what will come up is the most current issue of the magazine or publication. It's going to download, which will probably take a few seconds on your computer, and then it'll look just like a regular magazine would. Right below the title People, you'll want to go to All Issues. And if you take a look on the top right, it says Contents and Back Issues. So here you can scroll down and see what's contained in the magazine, all of the different articles. And if you see something that you like, you can click on it and it will take you right to that page. It's shown in 2-page format. So if you look at pages, you can read the magazine like you would a typical magazine, 2 pages at a time. You can also zoom in by clicking the plus to make the print larger and zoom out by pressing the minus. And the arrow keys right here, left and right, are just another way that you can page through the magazine, again, 2 pages at a time. Now below the arrows, you might see a print icon and the word print. If the publication allows printing, you'll see this right here, and that will allow you to print pages from a specific magazine. Now this might come in handy, let's say, if you're printing from a food magazine and you want to print a recipe and save it for later. Now if you go back up to All Issues again, I'd like to show you on the left-hand side, it says More Issues. And this is all of the back issues for this magazine. So in this case, People magazine goes back several years, all the way back to 2014. And again, if you see a magazine that you want to read, you just click on it and it will bring up that issue. Now, if we'd like to go back, we can go back on top. Our window is still open for our result list. And if we click on Flipster in the upper left-hand corner, it will take us back to our home page again. And there are just a few other ways you can search. On the left-hand side, there are categories, and they're listed alphabetically. So I'm going to click on Fitness and Health, and 8 different search results come up for this topic. And again, if you'd like to read this issue, just click on the Flipster icon where it says Read This Issue. And to go back again to the home page, click on Flipster again in the upper left-hand corner. And a couple other ways to search on the homepage would be to use the left and right arrows here, right below where it says latest issues. And these are all of the current issues of all of the publications that we currently offer. And then below that are all magazines. And again, using the left and right arrow keys, you can scroll through for the offerings. And if you see something that you would like to read, click right on it. So, those are the highlights of the digital magazine service Flipster. If you're someone who likes to read magazines like myself, this is a really nice way to do so from your laptop or desktop computer. And if you have any questions or comments, definitely send those to us, and we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, I hope you all stay well, stay safe, and hope to see you really soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.